Can't really see the view, but there's a view of the city and the mountain. There's your girlfriend. There's the house.
It's a quiet area, even though it's next to...
Yeah, but the street is pretty, you know.
Yeah. Has a little porch swing. I got a lot of mail.
So this is, yeah.
Yeah, this could eventually be closed off as a bedroom if you wanted to make a fourth bedroom.
Okay.
But right now you can put a TV up or whatever. Has a cedar closet.
Nice.
Main floor bathroom. Has some nice Leorito things. Bar. Main floor bedroom.
Closet.
Kind of tiny. Dining room. Very nicely redone kitchen. Fancy refrigerator. Lots of cabinet space. Gas stove. Backyard with a garage and a really large driveway to park. Lounge area. Fancy washer dryer. Closet. Media center. Water heater. Bedroom. With large closet thing. Fancy bathroom.
Okay. Oh, the tile beside the tub.
And smaller room, probably for an office, but a decent sized closet.
Let's see, you can make it into a closet if you like.
Sure. And that's it.